Hello and welcome to a Google Classroom Masterclass. The first session here is going to be very short. Once we've gone to classroom.google.com, which is here, it will take you to your landing page. Now, you won't have as many classes as this. Maybe you do. However, we have several options here. We have our list of classes that are here, including a to-do and your calendar if you are on Gmail. This list will take you through all the classes that you have, including ones that you've archived from last year, and you have some settings as well. We'll cover settings in a moment. To get yourselves up and running and sorted, we go over here to the plus and we go and create a class. Once you're in here, give the class a name. I'm going to call this Year 2 Tech. It's in the section of Year 2. Subject, obviously Tech. My room is 101. So I'm going to go and make that. And then you'll be presented with your usual wall, which looks like this. The first thing you want to do is get your classes enrolled. So this is your code. When you're in your classroom, you can go full screen like this so that children or students can see it from the other side of the room. I'm going to go and copy this so that I can use it in a second, because a student on the other end will look like this. So this is my student page. I'm going to go into my student class, which is over here. You can see that I'm already started. This is Joshua's page. He's already got some courses in his shortcuts. You can see that he's already in one of my classes. However, this is going to be another tech with a class teacher. So the students go over to join a class and they put their code in here like so, and then you can join. Once they're joining, they will get another tab that looks like this in their list, just like you saw in your classes too, so they can see them at a glance. And then Joshua is able to say that he's here. And then they're able to post in there and say, I'm in there. So they can go and see their students, and they can go and see the teachers that are there as well. So back into the teachers section, Year 2 Tech, your stream is updated, show, and there Joshua has posted to say that he's in. Thank you, Joshua. And they will get the very same update in their stream. This will update and it will say thank you, Joshua, in the wall, because this is a public chat space. That's what students see, and that's you getting started with opening your classes.